Okay guys, today is September the 30th and it's moving day. Welcome to Jean Home Decor and More. If you're new, welcome. And if you are a returning visitor, a subscriber, much love to you for coming back to check out my channel, to check out what I'm up to. So guys, today I have moved from the DMV, DC, Maryland, and Virginia, or actually just Maryland, to Texas, the Dallas-Fort Worth, or DFW. So let's take a look at the rest of this video and see how we progress today, okay? Keep watching. Okay, friends, I just want to give you guys a look to let you see what I'm up for. So look at this. Can you just look at this? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Now here's the kicker. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, let me tell you, I guess I will not be decorating. Look at this, guys. I guess I will not be decorating for fall and autumn, because what I'm going to be doing is getting these boxes unpacked. I am so totally blown, guys. Oh my gosh. What us gonna do, y'all? What us gonna do? Look at this. Here's outside, not too bad out here. Here's this side. I'm gonna need some serious help. Y'all wanna come help me? Okay guys, look at all these boxes. All of this I expect was in my last bedroom because the boxes are marked. But my last bedroom was big and it had like a side nook area. This bedroom is small, but I am downsizing. I'm gonna make it work. I gotta get rid of all of this stuff. And I actually got rid of some stuff, guys. Look at this. That's back to the closet. And here's some more boxes. I actually got rid of some stuff, you guys, but I am going to have to get rid of a lot more stuff because this don't make no kind of sense. Good, googly muggly. All right, you guys, pray for me.